guys, it's your girl Grace. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, of course, welcome to my channel. So a happy February. It's a new month. Happy Black History Month. Happy Lovers Month. Even though every month should be Lovers Month and every month should be Black History Month, but you know, it's all in February, so happy February. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, of course, welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. Pretty much for the first 14 days of February, I'm going to be doing something I'm calling my Valentine's Day series. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to be posting on YouTube and also Instagram, but I'm going to be filming. And if I do not post a video on YouTube, there'll be a picture and a video, like a mini video on my Instagram. I'm going to try so hard to upload on Instagram and YouTube, but I don't want to overwhelm you guys on YouTube with so much like hearts and kisses look. But this is my first Valentine's inspired look. This is supposed to be something super easy, something cute. This is for my natural babes who do not like doing the most, but you know, with the little hint of red, just pops and gives you the color you need. I hope you guys do enjoy this tutorial. If this is your first time subscribing to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you do not have your notification on, make sure you turn on that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. Lastly, if you're not following me on any of my social media, what are you waiting for? It's right there on the screen. Make sure you add me, follow me, let's become best of friends. With that being said, let's get right into this video. enjoy my first Valentine's inspired look. This is, as I said, something supposed to be super simple, super easy. This could be like you're easily like wearable to work on Valentine's Day, or even to dinner with your boo if you want to keep it simple. But don't worry, I'm coming with an extra looks. But if you guys did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If it's your first time to be on my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and make sure, please, turn on that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. And if you're not following me on any of my social media, what are we waiting for? Once again, it's right there on the screen. Make sure you add me, follow me, let's become best of friends. With that being said, I want to say thank you guys always. For all the love and all the support on my channel. I hope you guys have a beautiful month. I hope you guys have a beautiful week, and I will see you guys all in our next upload. Bye! Mwah.